3, 2. This is the BodyGuardz Apex Screen Protector for your iPhone 16 Pro. Now, the Apex series is BodyGuardz most advanced screen protector, which is their strongest, sitting at a price of $60. Now, that is very expensive for a screen protector. However, if you're looking for the best of the best, especially since your 16 Pro starts at $1,000, then I want to know if this screen protector is worth it for your 16 Pro or any of your 16 series, because this is available for all these 16 models. Now, right in front of the packaging here, we can see that it is 20 times stronger than an unprotected screen. And that is a really high claim here, because this screen protector is made out of a really strong ceramic glass, and BodyGuardz goes further by providing a lifetime warranty for absolutely free replacements. So let's go ahead and open this up and see what we get inside. So the very first thing here, we're greeted to a QR code, and this is so you can register your lifetime warranty, which I highly recommend you do. And right over here, we have the tempered glass screen protector here. And as you can see, it feels really nice and strong here. And what I like about this too is that it is edge to edge, and you'll notice a black line surrounding the whole screen protector, which will make it look very seamless. Now, this does come with some holes here on the bottom and top for alignment as well, to aid you in the installation process. So I do like that a lot. Now, this type of screen protector here feels really strong here. And just to give you a comparison here, this is an inexpensive screen protector, under 10 bucks, that you can probably get online. And it is pretty much very flimsy here. It does the job. However, this feels a lot better in the hand. Definitely a higher quality screen. So we're going to go ahead and test that out as well. For this side of the box, we're already going to get some installation instructions. But don't worry, guys, I'm going to show you exactly how to put it on. We're also going to get a cleaning wipe, a microfiber cloth, and some dust removal stickers here. And one thing I like about BodyGuardz here is that they integrate this cardboard here as an installation frame, which is very smart. All right, so the very first thing we want to do here is we want to first power off our 16 Pro. That way we can see exactly what's on top of the screen, and we have no type of distractions at all. Next, you want to grab the cleaning wipe, which is an alcohol prep pad. We're going to pass it on top of the screen. It's going to be nice and moist. Then we're going to grab that microfiber cloth, and we're going to dry off that wet residue. All right, it should leave your phone nice and clean. So next thing we want to do here is we want to take our installment frame here, and we're going to line up the camera, of course, and we're going to place it right in. I'm going to squeeze that nice and tight. And we can see it hugs the phone perfectly. And right before we install this, we want to use the dust removal sticker here, and we want to make sure that there are no type of lint on top of the screen here. So this is the time that you definitely want to take the time and ensuring there's no type of lint at all, because those lints can ruin that installation. All right, next thing we're going to do here is we're going to grab our Apex screen protector here, and we're going to peel off the step number 1 here, revealing the adhesive side. And next we want to align the top with the top of the phone, of course, and we're going to line up these holes with the installation frame. Okay, now that we have that aligned, we'll go ahead and apply some pressure from the top to bottom, or from the middle, whichever you want to do here. And I want to aid the installation. It should start to self-adhere. All right, and after that here, we go ahead and peel off the top piece here. And we're going to take off the installation frame here by pressing this on the back. All right, and you're going to notice some type of bubbles here, but don't worry, guys. All we have to do is grab the microfiber cloth, and we're just going to gently push these away. All right, so it took less than a minute here, and we're left with a nice, beautiful installation. And taking a closer look here, we can see that it is edge to edge, which is really nice. Now I have another Apex screen protector over here, so I like the fact that it has this black line border here, making it look very seamless, which is really nice. Now this is a nice ceramic glass, so it makes it very strong as well, which is really good as well. So let's go ahead and fire up the 16 Pro and test out this screen protector. All right, now that it's on, let's go ahead and test the smoothness of this. And I gotta say, this feels super smooth. Definitely feels a million times better than the actual screen of your 16 Pro. Let's go ahead and pull up an image here and test out the pinch to zoom. Very nice and crisp. And I love the fact that it's clear as well, which will showcase full color here, which is absolutely beautiful. Now, BodyGuardz has done a ball drop test here. They tested out with a 130-gram steel ball, dropped from 8 feet. Now, as you can see here, a lot of the other top selling brands here easily broke whereas the Apex Screen Protector is left standing strong. Now, I don't have a ball at all. However, I do have this hammer here, which we're going to quickly test out how strong this Apex Screen Protector is. Now, I'm not going to forcefully smash it because, I'm pretty sure any screen protector will definitely break. But what I will do is I am going to drop it from this height very close to my camera here, which I want to say is about 3 feet. And I'm hoping that my screen is perfectly fine. So let's do a nice little count. 3, 2. All right. And with that drop here, let's go ahead and see what kind of damage, if any. So I'm going to go ahead and shut this off. And let's take a closer look. Now, this screen protector is not indestructible, of course. You can see over here, this screen protector cracked from a very strong impact from this hammer on this type of corner here. And even with that, it has completely saved my iPhone 16 Pro from any type of damages at all. Now, I also did the same test on the 16 Pro Max Apex Privacy. Now, in this scenario, the hammer landed more on the center, which is going to be the strongest point, whereas the hammer fell more on the corner of the screen. But even in this test on the 16 Pro Max, it only left a very, very small nick, proving that the Apex Screen Protector is a very strong glass. Now, as we saw earlier, it is not indestructible. However, there's a high chance that your phone is going to be fully protected. So considering the price of the Apex ceramic glass screen protector, $60 is very expensive. However, you do have to consider the fact that the 16 Pro starts at $1,000 for just the 128 gigabytes, which can go for a lot higher. So investing in a really good quality tempered glass screen protector such as the Apex, in my opinion, is very worth it since it's a small fraction of the price of a 16 Pro. Keep in mind that the hammer landed right over here, which is the weakest point of any screen protector, but it still left my 16 Pro fully protected. Which probably makes sense since this is 20 times stronger than an unprotected screen. I'm pretty sure if I didn't have that, my iPhone 16 Pro would have definitely been finished. So I'm really happy to see that the Apex really protects your phone. Now, you can also have it in a privacy as well. This is the Apex Privacy. It's only $5 more if you need a two-way protection here. This is definitely another solid choice, which I'll link down in the description box below. So I hope this video was helpful for you guys. Firewolf out.